What does machine learning have to do with agriculture? Well, there are three important points I want to address with how machine learning is used in agriculture. Number one is variables. The number of variables in agriculture is enormous. We've got different types of soil, different types of crops, different field types, different geography, the location, the weather, all sorts of different things which all affect how your crop performs. And of course, this is very complex. So number two, of course, is complexity. This level of complexity is difficult even for a human expert who's been studying the field for many years to work through. It's very time consuming and they have to know just how all these things interact. So how can we address this with machine learning? With optimization. Machines, computers, are able to optimize all these numerical variables to find out what works well and what doesn't. With just a few examples, a machine learning model can determine which variables work best. In my next video, I will talk about how AgroCares produces predictions that work as advice for the farmer.